In 2015, I was diagnosed with lupus, and that's an autoimmune disease. I had hair loss starting off before that, but the lupus definitely progressed that. I wore wigs for about 5 years, actually. I said to myself, there has to be something out there that could allow me to have real hair. Once I found Transitions, it was a completely different, eye-opening type of solution for me. They had so many options, and it was freeing, truly. There's an actual solution. Rather than spending your money on these serums or these supplements, it's having a solution that is real and it's true and it works. Transitions didn't just give me hair. It gave me my confidence. It gave me freedom. And it gave me that beauty. I feel beautiful. Now that I have my hair, I go swimming. I put my hair up in a bun on the top of my head. I could go skydiving with this hair if I wanted to. And because it's mine, I don't feel that anything is stopping me with this hair. I want to tell you to not give up hope, because there are people out there who care. Transitions. There are people out there who want to help you and who want to make you feel beautiful and confident and brave. So don't give up. I'm here for those people who have no hope left, because that's where I was. The hope is at Transitions.